A slight chance of showers.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Highs in the lower 90s. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in northeastern Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carlton, Oregon, 10 miles west of Alberton, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Comer, Carlton, Watson, Midbridge State Park, and Powley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.